Jesus! No! Why did you have to die? You're supposed to save us all! Thank you for coming to the Amish theater production of The Passion of Christ. No, quick word for our sponsor, the Amish Smoke Detector.
We here in Amish country live very simple lives, but just because we don't use technology doesn't mean we can't be innovative. Ladies and gentlemen, you're about to witness revelation. Now I ask you, does this scene look familiar?
I have just come home from a long day of churning butter, and I'm excited to read the good book by candlelight. But forsooth, my hands, they are covered in the very butter I have churned. I must visit the creek and wash them off. Oh no, my beautiful home is aflame!
This happens all the time. Or, ladies, how about this scene?
La-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, putting the pastries in the oven. Wow, these pastries are gonna be scrumptious. I must fetch some butter for the neighbors. La-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. Oh joy, the beautiful outdoors. How eagerly I await to be witnessing the community outside this world. Now, a quick word for our sponsor. Oh, in a few more weeks he'll be from Springer. And I can finally meet the English boy of my dreams. Oh, no! No!
Foolish girl! You think you can best me with a mere broom?
Beating up this fire with a broom is helpless. If only I knew about the fire in an earlier stage.
Well, Mary, I have invented the solution for you. My good friend, Ezekiel. Ezekiel, come on out. I'll have the man introduce himself.
Greetings! I am Ezekiel, the first ever detector of smoke.
Now, let's check back in with my butter-churning buddy Thomas, and he purchased our good friend Ezekiel.
Thomas, good sir! Your house has caught fire. Grab a bucket of water. Make haste. The good book is burning.
Not Jesus!
I've been bested!
Thomas's home is saved. Now, you may have heard of that English electric smoke detector, but I assure you, Ezekiel is far more advanced. Now, let's look at a scene for the Old English, shall we?
Pretend for a moment in jest that I am an English smoke detector. Yo, there's a fire on your table.
Oh, how annoying! It is a mere candle!
Now compare that to the Amish detector, Ezekiel.
I am once again the Amish smoke detector. Myself, Ezekiel. Ah, good friends, there's a flame at your table. But do not fret, it is a mere candle used to light your meal.
Astute observation, Ezekiel. That was not... Anyway, come dine with us.
I'd love to.
That's right, he chows with the family, and is far more polite than the dog. So if you want an Ezekiel in your home, come into my shop, ye old Best Buy.
Everyone, members of the audience, members of the cast, random passers-by, there is the theater is on, well, I can't say what it's on, because we're in a crowded theater, but it is quite dangerous and very warm. I think we should all leave. I'm going now. Toodaloo!